Hey guys, James Sheffield here. My NPN number is 16871299. I'm here to kind of break down what's called the Affordable Health Care Act. Might have heard of it. It's kind of the worst thing on this face of the planet, I guess, if you want to call it, or the best thing, depending on what you look at it. So I'm here to kind of give you a little bit of insight exactly what's going on today since we're in the non-open enrollment time frame. So I'm going to break it down on how you can get coverage right now, today, starting as soon as tomorrow as well if needed. Now, non-open enrollment. Basically, the government's dictating when we can shop for health insurance that's out there. Originally, it was going to end up being from November 1st until January 31st. We had a 90-day window that allowed us to be able to shop the insurance freely, do what we want, just kind of like how the old days did. Once we hit that January 31st, everything's shut off. You can no longer shop for insurance in the free market unless you have what's called a qualifying life event. Or we wait till November 1st, which, by the way, this next upcoming enrollment is only 45 days. It's cut in half. So, November 1st till December 15th. Keep that in your mind. November 1st, December 15th. That's our only 45-day window to be able to shop for insurance coming up. Now, qualifying life event. You have to involuntarily lose your coverage, have a baby, get married, come out of incarceration, a divorce, just recently moved to the United States, gain citizenship. All of that has to be within the last 60 days for you to be able to actually get a qualified medical policy. If none of those exist, you're kind of out of luck. There's a few other ones that are going to be in there which you have to call us directly to kind of dig a little bit deeper. But again, if those don't exist, you're out of luck for the qualified plans. Now there's still alternative types of coverages that can still benefit you and get you covered as well. They just don't meet the guidelines. So we have what's called a short-term medical insurance, which is only allowed for 89 days or less worth of coverage. Very, very awesome to have in place to go from transition from one position, like a job, to another position where you got that 60 to 90 day gap of no coverage. That's kind of meant to fill that void. Now the other one that's going to be in there to kind of keep you going for insurance so it's not going to expire after 89 days is called the indemnity policies. Those start paying benefits from day one, so you don't have to meet a deductible, which is pretty awesome. Not everybody has, $3, $4, $5, $10,000 in their banking account to go ahead and pay for this stuff. Indemnity policies are there to go ahead and pay from day one. Tax credits. Now, this is kind of jumping back into those qualified medical policies. Tax credits are based upon your income. Now, I'm sorry to break it to you, but if you don't make at least $16,000 in a household size of 1, there are no tax credits whatsoever. You might want to go ahead and talk to your local government Department of Human Services. Give them a ring. You should be able to get qualified for Medicaid. If they did not expand Medicaid in your states, you can take a look at indemnity policies or short-term insurance, the cheapest alternative out there that's given time frame. Again, you got to call us directly. I'm going to go ahead and list the number below. You can follow the link as well and keep in contact with us. You can follow the next video as well if you want to go ahead and get a little bit more insight as far as for deductibles, co-pays, and how the insurance actually operates.